This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Participate in today's Great Washington ShakeOut statewide earthquake drill. Drop, cover, and hold now. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communications response procedures now. Feedback on the tsunami warning communications test can be submitted at this website, weather.gov/test. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones conclude this test.
South wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Breezy. Rain at times until midnight. Then showers after midnight. Lows in the lower to mid-50s. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Highs in the 60s. South wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of measurable precipitation.
Something ridiculous.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find the link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.